Hi, I'm Jessica Taylor, and in this video, I'm going to show you a creative fold for your next card. Now, this is a Christmas card, but of course you could use this fold any time of the year for any occasion. So let me show you how easy it is to make this kind of card. You're gonna have one piece for the insert, and this is going to be 11 inches long by 3 3/4 inches wide. Then you're going to need a base and a front. These are each 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So just a 1/4 sheet of cardstock each. To make the inside of our card, we're just going to take our white cardstock and score it at 5 inches and 10 inches. Then you'll fold on those score lines, kind of accordion fold so that you're folding this little flap back. Now, you can stamp this before you tape it together or after you tape it together. This will be the piece that's on the bottom, and then this will be in the middle, and this is going to be taped to your card front. I actually decorated mine after I assembled my card, but you might want to do it before, whichever you prefer. So I'm just gonna put adhesive on the back of my white piece and center it on one of my red quarter sheets. Then I will add some tape on this little flap. And really, I think the hardest part of this card maybe is not taping it together in a wrong way. So just make sure that you only have tape on that little flap, and then we're gonna line it up so that this red piece is right lined up with the back. And then this is a finished size of 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, just like any other regular card that I would make. So there is your easy creative fold card base. Once you have your card base together, you can decorate it any way you like. I added some designer series paper, kind of a snowman pattern paper, as the front, embossed just a piece of cardstock with the Subtles embossing folder to give it a little texture, stamped my snowman, cut it out with an oval die, colored it in, and added a little snowfall accents puff paint. You heat it up and it looks like real snowballs. For the inside, you can stamp a little something on the middle piece. And then I like to stamp my kind of main inside greeting on the bottom, and I just added a little patterned paper as well to decorate it. So I hope you love this card base idea and we'll give it a try. Here's a sneak peek at next week's creative card fold.